What's popping, guys? Today is Monday and it's a new and exciting week to go chase after your goals. So, irrespective of how disruptive the market have been for the past couple of weeks, guys, don't take that as a no. You know what I'm saying? We have to be relentless, we have to be consistent, and we have to show up and execute irrespective of the L's and the W's. So, today is a new week. I don't know what this week holds, but I'm super excited. I'm looking forward to seeing what this week holds. Today is, I think, 14th of April. Yeah, 14th of April 2025. So, I'm just being optimistic. Whenever I see my setup, I'm going to execute irrespective of the W's, irrespective of the L's, irrespective of being in throwdown. So, that's what I signed up for. That's what trading is all about. And I suggest you guys should do the same. So, the episodes, the vlogging, the trying to pass the funded account episode continues. I'm already in a trade, by the way, though, in a buy position for Bitcoin. And I'm going to show you guys in a minute. But I'm gonna keep updating you guys on what the outcome is, as well as vlogging this week's trade and showing you guys the whole process, just documenting the whole thing and letting you guys know that it is fucking possible. And by the way, there was a sell position yesterday on Bitcoin, but I didn't take it because obviously I don't trade during the weekends because of the prop firm that I am trading with. But guys, if you are already enjoying these episodes, please do well to subscribe to the channel, show your boy some love, support the channel, turn on the post notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up. Okay, now I'm going to be switching to my camera to show you guys the buy position that I am in. Okay, so let's get it. Okay guys, so this is the trade that I am currently in. This is a trade that I'm currently in. I'm currently in a buy position for Bitcoin to get up to this point. So here, I think somewhere around here or somewhere around here, I marked it out. I don't want to go to the higher time frame. Is a major resistance zone or point on from the weekly time frame. So price, we could be having some kind of weeks rejection or whatever around here, or I may not be able to hit my take profit. I don't know, right? But I'm just going to keep you guys updated on how it goes and how I'm going to manage the trade. As you can see, price is actually retracing right now. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to show you guys my P&L in a minute. The trade is up and is on. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on how it goes. Let's go. Or let's get it. What's popping, guys? Big energy today. So I just opened the chat right now. Excuse me, please. I just opened the chat right now and found out that I got stopped out for a buy position that I took. And it's crazy with what the market is doing. Price came all the way to my stop loss and just went in my direction to go hit take profit. Guys, I cannot cry. But even before then, I've made multiple mistakes on that trade, in the sense that because I knew price was at the high of, it was at the resistant level of a weekly time frame, right? And I understood that okay, price has the potential to sell, it has the potential to drop. So what I was seeing immediate was a buy, right? But because I knew price has the potential to sell, my buy hasn't played out. As a matter of fact, I was in drawdown, so I was still in the buy position, but then again, I was in drawdown, so stop loss hasn't been hit yet. I was in drawdown. I would close the trade, go in for a sell. When I noticed that okay, as the safe price is beginning to go back to the upside, I will close the trade, go in for a buy. So that was what I did, and before you know what was happening, I'd wasted $100 of my capital. So this is just as a result of both fear of missing out and greed, and it's just so crazy Me thinking I'm doing myself a favor to catch a big move, I ended up spending more than I had expected. So fear of missing out in this case, and greed. But I'm here to do my review to ascertain what the exact problem is, because I just woke up right now, to be honest, and I just checked the chart. I saw that I got stopped out because I had to re-enter for a buy again. And I'm going to show you guys my chart and my P&L in a minute. I had to re-enter for a buy again, and price came all the way to my stop loss, stopped me out, and headed straight to take profit, and price is currently dropping right now. It's crazy, guys. The market is so crazy. I don't even know. I'm down like 6% right now. I'm headed towards blowing this account. It's crazy. I'm just gonna switch right now to show you guys the charts and my P&L. But this is crazy. Let's do this. Okay, guys. So we can see clearly what's popping. This is where I took the trade from initially, right? And price came down all the way here. While it was doing all these things, I kept alternating my position, going in for a buy, for a sell. So this is me gambling right now. This isn't me trading. While I was doing all those things, I was gambling, because while I thought I was being smart, within a space of 30 minutes, an hour, I'd wasted $100 of my capital, which doesn't even make sense to me. So we can see price came all the way to stop loss, stopped me out, right? My stop loss was 84.11. It came all the way to 84.06, stopped me out, and just went straight up to hit take profit. Crazy day, and it's dropping right now. Crazy day. So let me see if I can show you guys my P&L. Crazy day. I have a lot to do, in the sense that I have a lot of review to know where I'm fucked up mentally and what's fucking me up, right? Okay. To know what's fucking me up mentally and stuff like that. So y'all should excuse me for that one. But look at just for today, you can see the first buy position I took. This is the second sell position that I took. The next buy position I stopped out for $16. Let's say this is $18 plus commission. The second sell position, $20-something, right? You can see before I took, this is 10, this is 9, before I took the final last position. So just for today, $62. If I had known, I would have just stuck to my initial buy and left it. But because of so much analysis, this is what it causes. But it is what it is. I'm gonna do my analysis, my review, myself, my trade, and everything. Let me just switch this camera real quick. Okay, so I'm going to do my review, analysis, everything, but review on myself, review on the trades to understand what my problem is. This is more like 1.5% of my account I just blew today. God damn it. Guys, this is today's episode, Monday, 14th of April, and I'm going to see you guys in the next vlog after this one, tomorrow's trade, hopefully, because I don't think I'll be trading today. Mentally, I'm fucked up. Emotionally, I'm fucked up. So I just have to go work on myself, stay with myself for some time to know what my problem is before I come back to the market. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Good morning, guys. What's good? Today is Tuesday. What an interesting day. Okay, so yesterday I was able to spend some time with myself to really ask myself the question of why did I make that mistake? Because I'm one person that I don't often engage in trading errors. So I know my strategy to the T. To an extent, I am patient. To an extent, I am disciplined. To an extent, I am consistent with my strategy. So I don't often engage in trading errors. So yesterday is one of those few days that I engage in trading errors, and I had to sit down and ask myself, why did I do that, right? Like, why did I engage in such behavior? So I discovered that, okay, so I recently discovered how I could capitalize on big moves utilizing higher time frames, so like weekly time frame or daily time frame. So because I realized that I was in a rush to make that happen without necessarily allowing the time frame that I trade, which is H1 time frame, to align with the resistant level of weekly time frame, so I could easily take that trade. Instead, what I was doing was I was rushing the whole thing instead of me to trade what I was seeing, which was the immediate buy that I was seeing. Excuse me. But I was trying to force the trade. So H1 time frame wasn't aligned with the direction of the weekly time frame yet, but I was trying to force it because I now understood that, okay, I could capitalize on bigger moves utilizing higher time frames. So it was a mistake on my part because I was moving faster than my shadow, if you understand what I mean. So I was moving faster than my shadow. I was being so eager, and desperate to make it happen without necessarily waiting for my setup to show up and make sure it's aligned with the higher time frame. So I was really pissed yesterday because for me, just like I said, I usually don't engage in trading errors, and me not following my trading strategy is a trading error. So me trying to take a sell position wasn't me following my trading strategy, because obviously the sell wasn't in alignment with my strategy. But if it was that I'd breaking a particular structure on H1 time frame and I'd gotten a pullback to a particular level, it would have been easier for me to take that sell, because at that moment now I know that H1 time frame is aligned with the weekly time frame moving to the downside. But because that wasn't the case yet and I was forcing the whole thing, I was really pained, because then again I felt as if I was moving away from not trading my strategy, which it was really fucked up. Plus I lost a lot of money yesterday. So this is just me putting out the lesson that I'd learned yesterday while I was reviewing my trades and spending some time with myself. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what today holds. But one thing that I also want to put out here is the fact that if I eventually blow this account, I may not blow the account. I might end up just keeping it aside and buying a 10k FTMO account. Why? Because the trading conditions on FTMO are more favorable for me. I'm allowed to risk 1.5% of my account per trade, which I won't be risking 1.5%. What I'm definitely going to be doing is risking 1% of my account, and then I can also trade during the weekends, which is very good for me. But trading Fundednext, I can't trade during the weekends. I'm only allowed to risk 0.5% of my account trading BTC. But on their their rules, it states that you're only allowed to risk 1% in a position. So I don't know why I'm only allowed to risk 0.5 of my account trading BTC. So it's so crazy, because I don't want to spend all day trying to come out of drawdown and then passing the account. I just want to pass the account and head onto the next phase. So that's why I'm actually thinking of like buying a 10k FTMO account where the trading conditions are really, really favorable for me. So this is just my 2 cents. Today I'm also going to be documenting my trades. Today is 15th of April, and whatever comes up, I'm going to vlog it. I'm going to show you guys. But other than that, this is all I have for you today. Stay safe, guys, and be good. What's good, guys? So I just took a buy position on Bitcoin now, and I thought I should update you guys. So let me show you guys the trade. And there's also something that I'm doing. So I'm trading excuse me. I opened a demo 10k FTMO account, and I want to trade it risking 1%, trading Bitcoin, trading through weekends as well, to see the progress, because I know that I've passed multiple FTMO challenges trading my strategy. So I just thought I should do that. But then again, I want to update you guys on the trade that I just took now on the Fundednext account. So I'm just gonna switch my camera real quick now so you guys can see. Okay, there you go. So this may not be pretty much clear, but here's a trade I just took now on Bitcoin. I'm going in for a buy. Here's my stop loss, right, and take profit is somewhere above, but somewhere above, right, it's a resistance zone from the weekly time frame. So I don't know how possible this is, but then again, this is an area of interest on H1 time frame, so hence I took the trade. But let's see how it plays out. And I took the trade also on that 10k FTMO demo that I talked about. So I'm starting the whole process today, and I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated. So you guys are seeing it's the same trade that I'm taking, just on 2 different accounts. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, so update on the trade that I took. We just got stopped out actually for stop loss. So I'm just gonna switch real quick to show you guys. Okay, so remember I took this trade initially from here, somewhere around here. We can see price went all the way up about 60 pips and it dropped, boom, took out this. So remember over here is the resistance from weekly time frame. I said this initially, I didn't know if this was going to go, but obviously this is my setup. I couldn't just overlook it because this is the resistance of weekly time frame, right? We could break into it, you never know what's gonna happen, so I just took the trade. But you see we broke past it, came back heavily and all the way to the downside. So I got stopped out on both the FTMO that I just took. Where's the FTMO? I got stopped out on the FTMO as well. So you can see how price went all the way up there. We can see we have around like 30 pips left to hit take profit, but that didn't work and we got stopped out for both trades. So this is 9,900 and we're almost down 6% here, which is crazy. So now that we know that H1 time frame is aligned with weekly time frame, I really want to see price either come here. Sorry, now that we know that H1 time frame is aligned with the resistance on weekly time frame, I really want to get like a pullback to this, where this red line is right now, or a pullback to this level, and I'll be looking to go short, capitalize on the big moves. So let's see how this one goes. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated.